Windows 11 is bringing back another classic Windows 10 feature, and this time, it's the calendar agenda right inside the notification center. But before you get too nostalgic, yes, Microsoft has added AI, whether you want it or not. Let me show you what's new, how it works, and why Microsoft removed it in the first place. When Windows 11 launched, Microsoft didn't just repaint Windows 10, they rewrote major components from scratch. The taskbar, the notification center, and quick settings were all rebuilt. This gave Windows 11 smoother animations and a modern UI, but many features were lost in the process. That includes simple things like opening Task Manager from the taskbar, and even drag-and-drop support, which was missing at launch. Now, Microsoft is finally restoring the agenda view, the same one we had in Windows 10, but redesigned for Windows 11. This new panel inside the notification center shows a clean, time-ordered list of your upcoming events. The agenda view pulls your events directly from Outlook or Microsoft 365. You'll see your meetings, titles, times, and even locations, without opening the full calendar app. On Windows 10, you got this when clicking the taskbar clock. Now, Windows 11 brings the same convenience, but with a modern layout. And here's the twist, Microsoft added Copilot AI features directly inside the agenda. Click any meeting, and you'll be able to join instantly or use AI to get summaries, prepare notes, ask follow-up questions, and get quick context before the meeting. Narrator, this AI integration starts rolling out in December 2025. Microsoft has also updated the notification center with a full Windows 10 style clock. You can even enable or disable the seconds display, just like before. So yes, Windows 11 is slowly becoming the modern version of Windows 10 that everyone wanted. The agenda view is cleaner, more useful, and now powered by AI. What do you think, useful upgrade or unnecessary AI push? Tell me in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Windows updates.